guys, welcome to another Ask Zenler. Now what I want to do now is I've already done an Ask Zenler on video captions and using systems like Rev and using like native YouTube to create captions, but I've just had a use for bulk captioning a massive course that I'm doing. It's got over 360 videos in it, so I wanted to find a way that I could do that quickly. I didn't want like Veed.io to have to play around with video. I just wanted to dump the video in there and get a transcription, export it out, and then put it straight onto my course, so it's most as efficient as possible. Plus accuracy was really important. So I did quite a lot of looking around, and I found this company called Otter.ai, which has been spoken about before, I'm sure, on the Facebook groups, but I hadn't really used it. I'd seen it, but I hadn't really used it. And then I was reading up about it and found that actually Zoom is partnering up with, or Otter.ai is partnering up with Zoom to transcribe actual live calls. So I thought it's got to be good. If it's actually doing from live. So I quickly went on, had a look about it, and bought the pro version of Otter. So I'm going to show you this now. So I've already started putting some videos up, but I just want to show you how easy it is to do this. So I have some videos that I've got on my other screen, and this is for the massive course that I'm doing for you guys at Zenler. So I'm just going to drop this one that I just finished today, which is adding the Facebook pixel to Zenler, and I'm going to drop it straight into the system. So all I need to do is hit the import, and I just need to drag it across from my other computer and just drop it in there, and it will process the video. And when it processes the video and it actually got it on the system, it will then write and transcribe it, and it's fairly accurate. I was looking through and I couldn't find that many big mistakes. So you can actually train Otter to pick up specific keywords. Like for the courses I do, I use lots of funny names, like things like Dynamesh and Polygroup, which could be quite hard for it to pick up, but it's done a really good job. And the word that it doesn't pick up well at all is ZBrush, which it picked up straight away. So you can see how quick it uploaded. That was a 30 meg file. I just clicked done, and what you're going to see here is inside here, don't worry about all of these, inside here you're going to see in processing. So when it's finished processing, that will basically go with nothing after it, and you can go in there and you can see the transcription of it. Then you can export it out as an SRT file, and you can drop it straight into Zenler, which I'm going to show you. So I'm going to let it process. It's probably going to take about, it's a 6-minute video, it's probably going to take about a minute or two. It's really quick. Now what I love about this is I can do the import, and I can grab loads of videos, like 8 videos, 10 videos, and I've done 120 today, and I can just dump them in here and it'll automatically upload them and transcribe them. So I can leave the computer and I can come back to already transcribed videos. Like all these ones have been transcribed, and there's a lot of videos, lots of different sizes in there, varying normally about 20 normally between 5 and 20 to 25 minutes each video, and it's done it really quick. Now like I said, I've got the pro account, which gives you 6,000 minutes, so I think that's about 100 hours or something of video. So it's a lot of things in a month. So every month it just renews again. Now the pro version that I'm using at the moment was $12.99, and if you compare that to the cost of, say, Rev's system, that would cost a lot of money to do all these videos, hundreds. So this at $12.99 in a month, I can output a whole course and put it up there, and it's going to save me a vast amount of money. It's really accurate. I did some tests and saw how accurate other things were against this, and this proved to be the best for me. Now maybe different languages it's better for different things, I don't know. So when this is finished processing, sometimes you might need to hit the little refresh button and then see when it's actually finished, because it should be finished. Now it's finished, there you can see. So I can go into this now, and what you're going to get is you're going to get the transcription of it. So here we go, guys. So straight into this, I'm going to play this and it will play through here. That's the video playing in. Hi guys, right, in this lecture what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to install a Facebook pixel. So things do change, so you might have to Google installation of Facebook pixel and follow those. So there was a little mistake there, so I can just pause it, I can come into here and I can hit this edit, and I can go and I can just correct that to 4 rules, like you can just Google it on Facebook. There we go, and that's now updated. But you don't find many. If you just read through it, you don't even need to listen to the actual transcription. You can look through this copy and you can see the mistake straight away. So it doesn't make many mistakes. I must admit, it's pretty good, and you can also train it as well. So I've got this. Let me come back to this. Let me just show you how to export it out. So once you've got your thing uploaded, you just click this little button here, and once you're in it, you can come up to here and you can go to export text, and then you can select your format, in this case an SRT file. I leave these all the same, okay, and I can leave all that the same, and we can just hit this continue, and what you're going to see is it's going to save it down there, okay, which has gone into my folder, showing folder. That's actually in my folder there. These are captions I've already downloaded, so I've got it in there on my download folder. Okay, so to train, let's just shoot back to Otter. To train this, what you can do is you can go into account settings, and you can actually go and train this under manage vocabulary, and you can come in here and you can set words. So I've set Dynamesh, Polymesh and ZBrush, so you can just add words separated by a comma and it will then pick them up in here. So once you've got your transcription, you can then jump into your site where you need to upload this. So let me just jump into the site now. I can then go into site, into media library, where I've got my adding Facebook pixel video there. I'm just going to click this edit, and inside the edit I'm going to go to closed captions down here, and I'm going to just add closed captions, and I'm going to select my language, which is English UK, and then I'm going to go and just drop my file in there. So I can just drag that across, drop it in there, and it's uploaded, and there we go. And so now I can just check this, so you can play it in here, turn closed captions on, there we go, it's already on, and hit this. Hi guys, right, in this lecture what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to install a Facebook pixel. So things do change, so you might have to Google installation of Facebook pixel and there you go. So it's really easy. When you export out, you also might want to, because it said unknown on that video, you might want to actually, when you export, you might want to turn that off so you don't include that speaker's name. It's just I haven't put it, so I haven't set it up. So you might want to turn that off, and then you won't get that unknown at the beginning, which is what we got. Hi guys, there. So it'll get rid of that if you just turn that off in there. So that is Otter.ai. You'll find a link down below. So yeah, go and try it out. I've also got a trial period for a month of the, you get 600 minutes, but you can use the pro features. So you can test it out, see if you like it, and if you like it then you can buy the pro or the business version. Which the business version has also got the Zoom integration for transcribing, so it could be very useful, so I might well upgrade to that later. But I just thought I'd tell you all about Otter.ai because I think it is superb. It's saving me hours of time, hours. And basically I'm processing each video, so I'm going through each video, and when I finished actually downloading that video, I'm just going there and I'm going move, and I'm putting it in a folder there. Let me just cancel it because I set a folder up there in there, so I know which ones I've actually taken and done. I'm actually going to delete this one out because I don't need it, and there you go. So that's Otter.ai for you, for captioning your videos and putting them into Zenler.